Hey everybody, I'm Matt Rosenthal, CEO of Mindcore Technologies and cybersecurity expert. What I want to talk with you about today is what is a cybersecurity company and how does it work? In this market, in this environment, with everything that's going on, super important question that you need to know the answer to. If you own a business, if you run a business, if you're in a position to make decisions for your business, you've got to know how to identify what a good cybersecurity company is. Yes, it depends on your company and what your company's needs are. But by definition, a very simple way to look at it is a cybersecurity company is a firm that delivers security leadership and services. That's the definition, but it's way, way bigger than that. Because when you choose an expert and you look at that leadership, it's thought leadership. It's leadership in terms of you have to make decisions and you need to know you've got somebody that you can rely on that is giving you good advice, reliable advice, that truly is a trusted advisor, that has experience, that's been through breaches, that's been through remediations, that knows what is happening, because this market changes very quickly. What happened in cybersecurity a year ago, 6 months ago, 2 months ago, is not the same thing that's happening now, not the same thing that's happening next month, and it certainly isn't going to be the same thing that's happening 6 months from now. So that leadership and those services, they evolve. It's dynamic, and you absolutely need somebody that you can rely on, and that's why you need a cybersecurity company. Very, very important. So what do they actually do? What does that leadership look like? One thing they do is they provide guidance. It depends on your business. It depends on your specific products, your specific employees, the market that you're in. But one very, very important thing that can make or break you when it comes to that guidance is the training and the awareness that's being delivered, the programs that are being delivered, the risk and the vulnerability assessments, the compliance. All of these things, they all get factored in. So your readiness and your ability to react and respond, it all ties in. It all ties into that guidance. Next is implementation. So you kind of bring it down a notch. When you go from leadership and management, you bring it down a notch and you go to implementation. So what does implementation mean? It's the tools, it's the tactics, it's the things, it's the stuff that you're putting in place that actually help you avoid a breach, okay? Look at things like this: penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, proactive security tools, alerting, again, training and awareness. These are all things that have to do with implementation. The next thing that comes into play, a little lower down, is operations. Right now we get in the weeds. We get into the actual operations. 24/7 security analysts, they monitor your network, they monitor your endpoints. First response and first responders, how do they respond to threats? How do they respond to alerts? Like, what does that incident response look like? These are all things that a cybersecurity company does. These are all things that a cybersecurity leader thinks about. And these are all things that you need to rely on that person or that company for. They have a seat at the table, just like your accountant does, just like your lawyer does. Okay, these are people that are experts in their field, and they are there, just like you, by the way, just like your insurance company does. In fact, cybersecurity essentially is business insurance. It's your insurance that your business is not going to be impacted. These are people that you surround yourself with because you are smart and because you understand the importance of having good people around you. So that being said, hope you have a much better understanding and you have a deeper knowledge of what a cybersecurity company is, why you need one, how you can look at choosing one. If you want to find out more about how we can help you with your IT, with your technology, with your cybersecurity, click the link down below, schedule a free consultation. We'd love to speak with you.